Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Now we are going to discuss the 14 principles of management. These principles is given by Henri Fayol. Number 1 is division of work. Work should be divided according to specialization so employees become more efficient and productive. And number 2 is authority and responsibility. Managers must have the authority to give orders. They must also the responsibility for their decisions. And number 3 is discipline. Employees should obey rules, respect agreements, and maintain the good behavior in the organization. And number 4 is unity of command. Each employee should receive the orders from only superior to avoid confusion. Number 5 is unity of direction. Activities with the same objective should be directed by one manager using one plan. There will be no contradictions among the instructions. And number 6 is subordinate to individual interest to general interest. The organization's interest should come before individual employees' personal interest. Number 7 is remuneration. Employees should receive fair and satisfactory compensation for their work. And number 8 is centralization. The degree of decision-making power should be balanced between central management and lower levels according to organizational need. And number 9 is a scalar chain. There should be a clear chain of authority from the highest level to the lowest level of the organizations. And number 10 is order. People and materials should be in right place at the right time for maximum efficiency. And number 11 is equity. Managers should treat employees fairly, kindly, and without discrimination. And number 12 is stability of tenure of personnel. Employees should have the job security because frequent staff turnover reduces the efficiency. And number 13 is initiative. Employees should be encouraged to take initiative and contribute ideas for improving the organizations. And number 14 is esprit de corps. Managers should promote teamwork, harmony, and a strong team spirit among employees. Thank you, everyone.